I have news coming in. This is from the border areas. Pakistan Army post resorting to unprovoked small arms firing from the post across the line of control. This is primarily in the Kashmir Valley but also in Jammu region. Kupwara, Baramulla, Poonch, Nowshera, Akhnur. The Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir in different areas is facing right now unprovoked small arms firing from Pakistan Army posts. For example, I just want to bring clarity to you. Poonch, Nowshera, Akhnur in the Jammu region, Kupwara, Baramulla in the Kashmir Valley. Indian Army troops, needless to say, responding in a calibrated and proportionate manner, befitting response. But it's a reminder, India tried best to resolve tensions with Pakistan, bring peace at the border. And then comes in this specific attack and massacre in Pahalgam, and then the border tensions. Remember, there are villagers who live along these areas, along the line of control, and they face the impact of these firing of the kind of unprovoked incidents that are taking place with regard to Pakistan. My colleague Shivani Sharma closely tracks the armed forces and she's joining me right now. Shivani, good morning. Tell me more about how in the past few days we're increasingly receiving these reports from the border areas. What are you picking up?
Pooja, this has been 8th continuous day when we are receiving these updates right in the morning by the army that through the night there have been ceasefire violations by Pakistani posts, Pakistani army, and these are small firearms that are taking place, and to which Indian Army has been responding in a calibrated and equal manner. So this is how the Indian Army is retaliating to this ceasefire violation along the line of control and various areas, to which one day there was also a report of this fire being opened at the international border. So all these areas which are mentioned, Poonch sector, the Kupwara sector, all these areas, the Pakistani posts have been firing on the Indian side and Indian side has been retaliating. So this is showing how without initiating any action from Indian side, Pakistan has been quite in panic. It has been violating ceasefire and it's been the 8th continuous day now.
Shivani will be tracking all the latest on this. Shivani, keep updating us what's unfolding at the border. A reminder that the nation, which is our neighbor, you cannot change. But there was a hope tensions could be resolved, but clearly nothing is happening.